Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Does insanity work? The short answer is yes. Follow the program for the 60 days and I promise you will absolutely see changes in your body, strength, and endurance. However, a major debate point on high-intensity workouts like insanity is if they are sustainable in the long run.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Insanity is for conditioning, nothing else. It won't put muscle on you, and you'll only lose fat if you eat at a calorie deficit. You'll be more fit and, as a result of burning huge amounts of calories and probably not adjusting your diet, leaner.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Because insanity can be so intimidating for beginners, we thought it would be helpful to give you a few handy tips to help ease the anxiety. Remember, the insanity workout aims to get you in excellent shape in a mere 2 months, which requires a lot of commitment and motivation. You must give it your all.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Then simply follow the insanity workout as is. Follow the diet, do the exercise, and you'll lose body fat and probably a little lean muscle mass as well. Instead, you need to tailor your diet to maintain your lean muscle mass even as your body adapts to the rigors of the insanity workout.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
It's an excellent workout, whether you are looking to tone your muscles, lose weight, add muscle mass, or get in some good cardio. Many insanity advocates claim it is the most well-rounded workout there is. We will let you decide that for yourself.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.